Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm unboxing the Meilong 4x4 2020 4M. I ordered this from the cubicle. It took about a week to get here, so let's open it. That's not good. And let's see. This is really tight. Trying not to damage the box so much. But this is really tight to open actually. Oh, well, I tore it, so. And I'm continuing to tear it. Not on purpose, but bro. Oh, and it comes with a stand too. Wow. So here's the Moyu 4x4. Let's turn it a little bit. First turn's not bad. Let's see. It is a little bit hard to turn. Let's open up, see if there's a lube in it. I don't see any. Let's see if it corner cuts. Okay, corner cutting is okay. Not great. Try the middle layers. So it is a little bit hard to turn, but not bad. This is better than my other 4x4 that I got. Let me show you guys that one. So here's my other one. I don't quite remember the company for this one, but here they are side by side. It's a very small difference, but you can definitely tell that there is size difference. And this one's just really hard. This one's okay, but it's just slightly scratchy sounding. But it does come with a Moyu, so Moyu Rubik's stand. So let's just put it up. And that looks great. I actually love this so much. Okay, this might be a little bit heavy for it though. Oh no, there we go. Oh, there's one more thing in here. Let's see if it'll come out. This fits so well. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this fits so well. Let's see what's in here. Oh, and it comes with a little screw to change the tension, I think. See that a little bit. And a little instruction book in Chinese, I think. But that's epic. So that's everything that came in this box for the Moyu 4x4. This again, I got it from the cubicle. It took about a week to get here, but next time I'll probably get it at Speed Cube Shop because they're based in Las Vegas, where I'm in right now, so might be a little better. I think it's magnetic. Let's see. So it is magnetic, but it is kind of weak a little bit. You can see it kind of snap a little bit. Or, I don't know if you can see it, but I can feel it snap a little bit. But this is actually great. I appear to have mixed out an accident, but I'm having a little trouble, so I guess I'm gonna leave you guys with this. Subscribe.